Hey guys, Precious Stevens here, and I am coming back to share some more tips with you guys about marketing, right? Because if you market your products or your services in an effective way, you're almost guaranteed success, right? And success definitely doesn't equivalent to not doing anything, right? Or hiding behind the scenes, because many of us entrepreneurs actually do it. And I totally get it because I've done it myself as well. But if you have a great product or you have something that you should be promoting, and you don't know where to start, then this is really for you. You should tune in because I'm going to give you some quick, amazing tips, something you could do immediately, right, to kind of boost your marketing systems and boost your marketing plan so that you know exactly the direction to go in when you want to shout to the world what it is you're selling. One of the first places you actually want to start, and I mean absolutely start, is at the beginning, right? You want to develop an amazing marketing plan, right? And this is going to include everything as far as figuring out your business identity, right? Not only that, but also determining who is the competition. What are they doing, right? How do they fit into the marketplace, right? And then who is your target audience, right? And if you guys share similar target audiences, right, what is so unique about you? Why should they pick your services over the next person's, right? Not to mention, you also should be focusing on where are you going to market. Don't be one of those that's kind of, stepping in new waters and don't really know how to effectively market, and they end up on every single channel, but none of them is really working toward the success in their business, right? Don't be those guys. You really want to focus on where are you going to show up? More importantly, where are your people, right? Everyone is not on all of the channels, right? You want to be sure that you know you are in a place where your ideal audience is. Not only that, but that your message is amplified enough that you're going to stand out in the marketplace. It's so many different ways to market, honestly, and you may end up needing a different marketing plan for each channel, right? Because it's just so many different ways to do it. You could do it through affiliate marketing, right? You could do it through contests. You could do it through joint ventures. You could do content marketing. You could do influencer marketing. You could do email marketing. You could do the pay-per-click and do some ads. It's just so much you could do, but it really depends on what channel you decide to go. But you don't just want to think about the actual marketing plan, right? You want to put it in writing, right? Because if it's not recorded, pretty much it didn't happen. That's how it is in my book. If it's not recorded, it didn't happen. You can't keep those kind of things in your head, because when they're in your head, a lot of things happen up there, right? You talk yourself out of things. Just so much happen, and you end up not doing much of anything. But when you record things, it's kind of like holding yourself accountable. So that's what you want to do. You want to really get into just create maybe a one-page marketing plan. It don't have to be all fliff and flop. It really doesn't, right? You want to create a marketing plan that is really easy to implement, it's easy to digest, and it's something that you're actually going to follow. So I want to take you through a simple example, right? Let's just say we're creating a course, right? If we're creating a course, one of the things you want to do is, you're going to need an awesome sales page, right? And it's going to really allow people to buy your course. So, that's one thing you need, okay? Not just that, you're going to need great information about the product or the course, right? You're going to need information that's really, really juicy, and it's going to make your affiliates, or it's going to make people want to talk about the product. You want to, or the course, you want to get a lot of buzz surrounding around this thing, right? Early on, not wait till you actually launch. And then what you also want to do is go to your affiliates or your customers, right? You want to get some testimonials. You want to get some social proof that your solution actually is a solution, okay? You may also write some blogs, right? Get some buzz generating on your blogs, and you can have outbound links if you do the affiliate marketing or whatever that is. Then you may even do a newsletter. How about that? You want to encourage people to sign up for the newsletter. So, hey, you need an opt-in. You see where I'm going with this? So you really have to plan this thing out and map it out, so you're not stuck and like at a point and you don't know how to move forward because you haven't mapped it out. When you map it out, you're able to see exactly what to do next and work on it accordingly, right? And then you don't just stop there. You want to actually put all of these tasks in some kind of management tool, whether it's a calendar, a Google Doc, Asana, Trello, whatever it is. And when you get into a habit of really developing a system, a marketing plan, something you can easily follow, guess what? You're on your way to building SOPs, baby. So you see how it kind of all goes hand in hand, and it all starts with the planning process. That is the absolutely first place you want to start. So I hope this helped you out with your marketing tips. And if you are interested in any more marketing tips, you know exactly where to find me, Precious Stevens of the Posh Academy. I hope to see you guys on the inside.